Hello everyone. This is my mixed fruit with plain yogurt homemade. I make it myself. So if you want to see how I make, you must watch my main video. This is just a short video to show that this is so yummy for breakfast, for snack. This is made of mango, pineapple, and my own banana fruit in my backyard. Let's eat. Hello guys, I'm back again. So today I'm going to make a homemade yogurt. So my ingredients is Nestle Live Active Culture. This is a natural creamy yogurt. Di pwede yung may flavored na po siya. So since ang aking glass ay nabasag na po yung tatlo kasi anim itong aking glass. So ilang taon na po ito nabasag kasi ang daming mga tao dito na maghugas na mabuak. Tapos na overcook ko din yung isa kaya nag-crack yung glass. So ito yung aking requirements. Isa is yung cream, Nestle cream. Nestle yogurt I mean, and then the fresh milk, any kind of fresh milk, Magnolia, Selecta, whatever. Then a glass, then a yogurt maker. This is from Belgium. Ang gagawin ko po ay i-fill up ko yung dito, milk. Since tatlo lang yung aking glass, so I will divide equally the milk kasi the milk is half full na lang. So ginamit ko kasi ito sa aking banana pancake. So distribute equally. Yes. I can use this to make my mixed fruit with yogurt like banana, mango, pineapple, any fruits. Tapos, lalagyan ko ng tag-iisa or I'll just divide this one into ubusin ko yung isang pakete ng yogurt. This is a live cultured, so after ko magawa ito, parang nadamihan ko ata ng milk. I should put only mapuno itong aking jar. Ay nako, I will eat the rest na lang. It's already full. I should not make it full. The jar, the glass. Anyway, I'll eat the yogurt left over. So pag tapos na po ito, i-cook ko siya ng like 8 hours. Stir fry po ito. Stir fry. Stir ko po ito. Ganyan lang kasimple guys. Kasi yung ibang gumagawa ng yogurt, niluluto po nila yung yogurt. So sa akin, I cook this also via electricity, yung cooker ko po dito. Ko lang, isa lang ko lang yan ito. So whole day, 8 to 10 hours. Kasi ayoko nang overcook yung aking glass. Nagka-crack na kasi nakalimutan ko minsan. Nag-overnight ako tapos nasobraan pala. So nag-crack yung bottom ng glass. So ito, ilagay ko dyan. So strip, ko na lang siya kasi kulang na po ang aking So ganyan ko lang. Pagalit na yung husband ko kasi alam niya na nabasag ko yung tatlo. So this is full talaga. Minsan ang ginagawa ko lang dito is from here. So I will put a takip. The glass is also from Belgium. This one, everything from Belgium. Marami siyang mga dalang mga cooker, mga kuan ng mga gamit-gamit. Tagsa na lang ako maggawa. Yung mga sandwich maker, pancake maker, Belgian waffle maker, hindi na ako nagawa. So, I'll cook this one for next 8 hours or today, the whole day, kasi parang 10 o'clock na ngayon. So, till later, I will show you kung kakainin ko na ito bukas kasi I have pineapple, banana, and mango. So, tomorrow, this is my breakfast. So, I'll put it here, guys, sa aking cupboard dito. So, I can supervise the machine kasi I don't want to be in the ano ba yung brand dito? I don't want to hindi ko na linisan yung So I can supervise here the machine. Takot kasi ako na doon sa kitchen kasi hindi ko makita ang galaw-galaw diyan. So till I finish this cooking, tonight. Then tomorrow, if refrigerate ko siya, tapos tomorrow, ready na siya, ihalo sa aking yogurt, fresh fruits and vegetables. See you! 4 hours ago na po, guys. 4 hours. So, 4 more hours pa ang kailangan. 4 more hours. Check ko lang po. So, ito na po, guys, ang aking homemade yogurt. Medyo siya, nag-awas. So, tingnan nyo ang aking homemade yogurt. May kunting water. Ko lang dito. So, I will I will put it in the fridge. Tomorrow, it's ready to eat. So, sarap na, guys. Pwede ko nang kainin now, but mainit pa. So, i-cool down ko siya sa ref. Till tomorrow. So, ito ang aking homemade yogurt. So, sarap, guys. Walang sugar ito, guys, ha. No sugar yogurt. At saka, I will cultivate another one after this 3. So, ako ng konti, leftover. Tapos, I will make another one out of this one. See you, guys, and thanks for watching again. Till tomorrow, aking ilagay ito sa aking fruits. Hello, everyone. This is my fresh fruits: mango, ripe sweet mango, banana from my own tree, and pineapple, organic. And this is my homemade yogurt. I will let you see it. Homemade po ito. So this is made from a cultured yogurt. I make it myself. So, 3 po siya, pero hindi ko po maubos ito. So, konti ko lang yung aking gagamitin. This. A very yummy, creamy yogurt. Bud Light. Brown out kasi dito sa amin, guys. So, I'll eat na. I'll mix it. I'll put it here. Op! Nausik. Mixed. Yan. My delicious mixed fruit. Then I will not put all. Look at how creamy it is, guys. Oh. No sugar. This is no sugar yogurt. Plain, no taste at all. Very creamy na, guys. I don't like the one from the market, from the mall. I make it from the Nestle. So you will see it. I will take a video of it later. See you and thanks for watching. Let's eat. This is my mixed fruit with plain yogurt, homemade. I make it myself. So if you want to see how I make, you must watch my main video. This is just a short video to show that this is so yummy. For breakfast, for snack. This is made of mango, pineapple, and my own banana fruit in my backyard. Let's eat.